Hi everyone, and welcome to my things to do. Well, today it's laundry day. I know, I don't like doing laundry either. It seems that I've run out of laundry detergent, and that's okay, because it actually took an entire year before I ran out of laundry detergent. So it's time to make some more. Now, over here on my washing machine, I have all the things that I'm going to use to make my laundry detergent today, and I know it seems like a lot, but believe it or not, what you're looking at will actually last me one entire year of laundry detergent because I only use 2 tablespoons per load. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. And like me, you can save money too. I'm going to use half of each one of the products mixed together. So half of the borax is going to be about 32.5 ounces, which equals to be about 5 cups. So let's get started. I like putting my measuring cup inside of the bowl. That way if it does spill over, that's okay. It's going in the bowl anyway. I've used only half. I know that the next time I use this, I could just pour the rest of it in. Next we're going to do the laundry booster. And half of this will be about 3 cups. And I'm saying about. The measurements don't have to be exact. That's 2. And 1. Baking soda. It just helps with deodorizing as well. And that one we're going to do 8 ounces of. There we go. We got about 8 ounces, which is 1 cup. And now we have the OxiClean. And I just really like OxiClean in my detergent, which is why I chose the OxiClean. You don't have to, but I really like it. So that's going to be about 2 cups of the OxiClean. Again, you don't have to be exactly precise. I like to buy the laundry flakes instead of the bars. A lot of directions will say to use the bar and grate it up. I'm going to be honest with you, I really cannot stand to stand there grating, which is why I love the laundry flakes. The exact same soap, just already flaked up for you. And I'm going to use half of this, which is half of the 17.6 ounces is about 8.8 ounces. Again, just a little over a cup. I know, that looks to be more than a cup. In fact, I think I want to use 2 cups. Just because I can. And you know what? It's my recipe, so I can do it any way I like. Get that in there. Nice. The last thing that I'm going to use, it's these aromatherapy crystals. A lot of the DIY laundry detergents, they don't say to use these aromatherapy crystals. Instead, they say to use essential oils. I actually prefer the aromatherapy crystals in mine. I know that it makes the clothes smell so very good. In fact, I got confirmation of that from Tiffany when she's gone to work and she's had people ask her what makes her clothes smell so good. And she goes, it's Jo. She's made her own laundry detergent. Now there's 18 ounces in this, so of course in half will be about 9 ounces. Again, a little over a cup. And here we go. So let's get that in. Just a little over a cup of those aromatherapy crystals, and all the ingredients that I'm using is safe for any washing machine that you may use. Now let's mix all of this together. The wonderful thing about this is that you only use 2 tablespoons per load. It's great for cold wash, warm wash, however you do it. I use cold wash on everything. My whites look wonderful, my darks look wonderful, and everything smells fantastic. I'll get this put inside of my laundry container, and what's left over, I'll put inside of my storage container for later. Buy something that makes you happy. Laundry already is not a happy job to do, so why not have something that just makes you smile when you go to look at it? So you know what? I like using you. Here we go, we're all finished and we're ready to go. Ah, perfect. I'm going to put the rest of this in my storage container. Sealed. And on the shelf, ready to be used anytime I need it. Today my things to do is to make my own laundry detergent. Why don't you make it your thing to do too?